Slip and fall accidents are one of the most common non-fatal accidents in the workplace. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor and Statistics, falls, slips, and trips accounted for 27% of the total number of accidents among workers. Keep watching to learn what to do after a slip and fall accident at work. Visit the doctor. After a slip and fall accident at work, it is important that you seek medical care. This is a critical step for your safety, and it can also help determine evidence in your case. A doctor can document your injuries and provide you with a diagnosis. Visit a doctor immediately after your accident if you believe that you are injured. This will help create a record on file of any injuries you may have from the accident. Visiting a doctor also helps establish a timeline for your injury. Defense attorneys on behalf of your employer will try to prove that your injuries accrued previously or in a setting outside of the workplace. Going to the doctor immediately prevents them from making the case that your injuries were a result of a different accident. After an accident, it may be difficult to tell the full extent of your injuries. You could be injured and not even aware of the injury. Soft tissue injuries or other injuries are less apparent than broken bones. A medical expert can perform an evaluation and identify injuries you might not be familiar with. This is critical to put you on a path towards recovery, but it will also help build your case for workers' compensation. Gather information. The best time to gather information about the scene of the accident is immediately after the accident. If you are badly injured, have a friend or family member return to your place of work and gather some basic facts. Try to determine what caused you to slip and fall. Look to see if the floors are wet, if cords were in the walkway, or if a store display caught your foot. If you can determine what caused the fall, then you have a better chance of figuring out what the store could have done differently to protect you. If possible, take photographs of the accident scene. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Photographs can be used to show the jury what the scene looked like on the day of the accident. Even if you are not sure what exactly to take photos of, document everything in the scene where the accident took place. You don't have to use a fancy camera. Most smartphones have a camera that will take good quality photos. Witnesses are helpful. If anyone witnessed your accident firsthand, they could be very important to your case. Someone else who saw your accident and can verify your version of the story helps you look more credible. If you slipped and fell at work, ask your coworkers to be a witness. It is important to write down their contact information so they can testify on your behalf. Ask any witnesses for their name, phone number, address, and email address. You can also ask them to write down in their own words what they saw. Your attorney will follow up with these witnesses. They will ask them to make detailed statements in writing. If you've been injured and are wondering what to do after a slip and fall accident at work, call Fitzpatrick & Associates. Fitzpatrick & Associates have helped injured victims just like you maximize their compensation for injuries that happened in the workplace. If you've been injured in a slip and fall accident on the job, contact us today for a free consultation and learn what we can do to help you. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.